Fried egg. This egg is delicious. Its bottom part crunchy and upper part soft. Its look awesome and it's yummy. I think people are afraid of fried egg. I don't know, there is like so many different way to do it. It's like should the pan be high heat, should be low. How do you get that perfect color? We are gonna do ours on a medium high heat for the fried egg. So add oil or you can use butter to the pan. Add your egg into the oil. So you want to be hot enough that the egg white is kind of setting. When it goes in, let it start cooking. Now add salt. The egg were light cooked. Now spread the oil on the egg. The upper part of the egg is turning white. I like this type of egg fried. It's look yummy. I love it. Oh, it's awesome. You should try it. If you like this video, big thumbs up down below. Show your love and support. Also click the bigger subscribe button. Come join us, our family. Finally click the bell icon. You can notify I upload brand new video. You can also join my other social media. If you have any video idea, please let me know, comment down below. I will do my best make it happen. You can see my other video. Thanks for watching.